It was in 1966 when the Innerville Club of Madras was chartered. A handful of women, united by a shared vision, laid the foundation for a club that would stand the test of time. Over these 6 decades, we have celebrated together, supported one another, and reached out to countless communities. This is our story, a story of beginnings, of friendship, of service, and of the legacy we continue to shape.
I joined Innerville Club in 1966. Right from day one, I have enjoyed both the friendship and service in the Innerville Club. And I'm happy that I have joined the club and I got a scope to do work sincerely for the club whenever there was need. I am the only chartered member now.
And at the heart of this journey was something more enduring than any project: the friendships that blossomed along the way.
I joined the Innerville Club of Madras in 1974 and I have been a member for the past 51 years. Once a year, we used to host the Ladies' Night, which was attended by spouses, and we practiced for a whole month.
From laughter shared over simple teas to shoulders offered in times of need, a friendship has always been the invisible thread binding us together.
Innerville has been an excellent platform to showcase our talents like singing, kolam, acting, art and dancing. Our dancing divas have performed regularly for the club and also for district events.
I joined Innerville 35 years back. I made so many friends. More than friendship, we are together like a family.
With vibrant mix of stalwarts and enthusiastic newcomers, we launched Let's Muster, an initiative to foster bonding among old and new Innerville members. We have an initiative called Babes Day Out, which makes members' outings fun while exploring latest spots in the city.
And it was this spirit of togetherness that gave rise to our true purpose: service carried out with compassion and conviction.
1990-91 marked the silver milestone of our club. We completed 25 projects. The most impactful project was the construction of a room at the Hindu Mission Hospital in partnership with Rotary. We got the Best Club Award in the district for the year 1991.
With every passing year, our projects grew deeper in impact. Service became not just what we did, but who we were.
In 1988, we inaugurated a sewing center with 10 sewing machines in the premises of the Presidency Higher Secondary School for Girls. Its function was to train girls and women from surrounding communities in tailoring and embroidery. It was moved to the NKT School Triplicane thanks to the efforts of past association president Mano Bhaktvatsalam. Over the years, we have been providing help in vocational training in Danirasa, VXL, Dharmambal Polytechnic and many more.
Innerville Club of Madras has always been a very environmentally conscious club, whether it has been garbage segregation, garbage composting or tree planting. We have been active over the years in several government schools where we have taught all of this. In the Snake Park, during COVID, we collected funds for the reptiles and were thrilled to have the first captive breeding of the gharial in India.
My passion has always been with animals. So over these 8 years, we have sterilized about 800 dogs. That it is still only the tip of the iceberg. We've also been supporting the PFA through various programs, and also LARA, which is Love Animals, Respect Animals.
I have been helping the visually impaired adults for the past 37 years. Innerville Club of Madras has been a great support both academically and monetarily to enable them to become independent. Recently, computer training is being rendered for girls from rural areas to able to do competitive exams.
To celebrate our Golden Jubilee in the year 2015-16, we took up 50 projects. Our past presidents took up a project each. The IIW President Charlotte DeVos attended the Golden Jubilee celebration. She visited our Barbara Kelly home for underprivileged girls. Her first day cover with cancellation was released by the Postmaster General of Tamil Nadu. A book tracing the 50 years of our club's existence and service was also released.
Innerville Club of Madras has worked over the years with specially abled persons. We have worked with Freedom Trust, DRA, Banyan, Vidyasagar, Ekta, and many others in providing mobility aids like tricycles, crutches, and wheelchairs.
2019, we conducted Safe Touch awareness programs for 3,800 children. We also conducted a major workshop for the HMs of 200 corporation schools. Another major project in 2019 was the adoption program in association with the Department of Social Defense for prospective adoptive parents.
2020-21 was a challenging year for the whole world when the COVID-19 hit us. It was difficult to go out and do projects, but still, in spite of COVID, we managed to do projects worth 30 lakhs.
So we also do screening for general health of students, and we are able to pick up dental issues, skin issues, ophthalmic issues. This year also, there has been much emphasis on the HPV vaccine for young children, and we have done more than about 100 HPV vaccines over the past year.
And as the years turned into decades, these acts of friendship and service began to weave something greater, a legacy.
Decision to start our Inner Wheel Club of Madras Charitable Trust was, I think, one of the most important decisions. I think January of '84, Trust was created, which became quite a landmark decision. In 2024, we started trying for CSR. Very happy to say that now we have the ability to have CSR donations into our trust.
We stand not just as a club, but as a testament to what women, united in purpose, can achieve.
I joined the Inner Wheel Club in 2000, and ever since I've been associated with the Barbara Kelly Home, which began in 1994 and housed about 30 girls at a time. They were all single-parent girls. We conducted sports and games on annual days, celebrated their birthdays, and interacted with them regularly. The girls were sent to Ellen Sharma School and government school nearby. We've handled about 80 girls till 2017.
In the early 70s and 80s, the Inner Wheel Club of Madras was monitoring a creche in Rotary Nagar. That project is no longer with us now. However, we did find a new project in 2007. We found a Balwadi that was not in very good condition. If you were to look at it now, because we have introduced the Montessori methods and because we have a trained teacher there, it's a model Balwadi now. We have about, I think, 60 children now.
Inner Wheel is a community of service-minded women, and we all have stuff to give away. Damru facilitates giving away our usable items to projects of Inner Wheel across clubs. It is now running its 6th successful year with over 600 members across 50 clubs and 3 Inner Wheel districts.
So my dream project was either restoring a lake or Miyawaki forest, where you can create a dense forest in a small area. And luckily we managed to get 3,000 square feet in Secretariat Colony, where we planted 837 native trees. And within a year, they were full-grown trees, giving us 10 times the oxygen.
In 2021, we saw students struggling to access information on college courses. So we created and published 2 career counseling books. A lot of research went into content creation, and past President Jayanthi Singaram ensured the books were well designed and reader friendly. From 2021, we have given the +2 books to 500 plus schools in and around Chennai. We have also created posters with QR codes to access the books digitally.
Our club is mother club to many, including Inner Wheel Clubs of Madras Central, Chennai Verve, Madras Next Gen, Madras Ocean, which in turn have sponsored many other clubs in the district.
Our legacy is written in the smiles we have nurtured, the friendships we have cherished, and the service we continue to carry forward. Anniversaries like these are not just markers of time, they are like a bridge that connects the tireless efforts of yesterday, the joyful service of today, and the limitless possibilities of tomorrow. Standing on this bridge, we realize that we are both beneficiaries of a rich legacy and the custodians of a radiant future. This is the story of the Inner Wheel Club of Madras. Yesterday, today, and its tomorrow.